On Monday, an earthquake of magnitude 7.8 hit Turkey and Syria. It is likely to be one of the deadliest this decade, seismologists said, with a more than 100 km rupture between the Anatolian and Arabian plates. 5 back-to-back earthquakes has hit Turkey and Syria. The first earthquake of magnitude 7.8 occurred in early hours of Monday. One of the later earthquake was as large as the first one, measuring 7.5 in magnitude. But what causes an earthquake? The Earth's outermost surface, crust, is fragmented into tectonic plates. The boundaries between tectonic plates are made up of a system of faults. So, what are faults? Faults are cracks in the Earth's crust along which there is a movement. The tectonic plates constantly move at slow pace, but they get stuck at their edges due to friction. When the stress on the edge overcomes the friction, there occurs an earthquake. How many types of fault are there? There are main 3 or 4 types of fault. One is normal fault, which is a slip-dip type of fault, occurs when the hanging wall moves down relative to the foot wall. The rock above the fault zone is called hanging wall and rock below the fault zone is called the foot wall. Here is a normal fault. Reverse fault is often described as a thrust fault. It occurs where the hanging wall moves up or is thrust over the foot wall. Another is strike-slip fault, on which the 2 blocks slide past one another. It can be left lateral or right lateral strike-slip fault. Focus or hypocenter is the point at which the slippage occurs, and the point located above the focus on the Earth's surface is called the epicenter. Turkey is seismically active zone due to the interaction between the African, Eurasian and Arabian plates. The Arabian plate is known to be pushing northward, which results in a slight westward movement for the Anatolian plate, where the Turkey is located. Monday's earthquake emerged from shallow depth of approximately 17.9 km below Earth's surface, which made him devastating. Shallow earthquakes are generally more devastating because they carry greater energy when they emerge on the surface, while deeper earthquakes lose much of their energy by the time they come to the surface. The seismic waves move conically upwards to the surface, so they lose energy while traveling greater distances, hence they cause less damage. What is magnitude? Magnitude is a measure of how big the waves are, while the strength refers to the energy it carries. In general, every change of 0.1 in magnitude results in about 1.4 times change in energy. The Richter scale is used to measure the magnitude of an earthquake. The damage from an earthquake depends on distance, type of soil, building construction, etc. Scientists have been able to map the areas that are earthquake-prone, and are likely to generate earthquakes in future, but there is no way to predict when. For example, scientists say the Himalayan region has so much accumulated stress beneath the surface that it could result in multiple 7 or 8 magnitude earthquakes. But it cannot be predicted when that would happen. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe.